Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make split screen smaller on iPad. First, open one of the apps that you are planning to use. After opening the app, you will see at the top of the page 3 dots. You are going to tap on the 3 dots. Then you are going to select the option Split View. Next, you are going to open the second app that you are planning to use. Once you have done that, you will realize that you have both screens open. Now, to minimize one of the screen or to make one of them smaller, all you'll have to do, right in the partition of the screen, you will see a dark line. You are going to simply pull along that line to the right or to the left depending on which one of the screens you would like to make smaller, as you can see right here. So now the photo album is wider than the notes album. And that's it. So you can do this in the opposite direction also. So for example, if I wanted to make the photos section smaller, all I'll have to do is simply tap on the line, then drag it to the right, as you can see right there, and that would make it smaller. And by the way, if you would like to close one of the split screens, all you'll have to do is simply tap on the 3 dots in the screen that you would like to close. Then you could simply tap on close, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.